Today, I wanted to highlight a free and open source application that will display your daily screen time stats on any modern Android smartphone or tablet. The application is called usageDirect, and it's available to download through the f-droid repository. So you'll be able to find it from within the f-droid application, and it can be installed completely free. But I'll also include a direct download link to the APK of the version that I'm using here today in this video down in the video description below. I'll also have those links in the pinned comment for this video as well. So once the application has been installed, let's go ahead and open it up. And you'll be greeted with this permission request, which is required for the application to collect the data on how often you're using your Android smartphone or tablet. So let's tap on Go, find the usageDirect application in this list, and then grant the usage access that it asks for. Now, the developer isn't doing anything with this data. And remember, the application is completely open source. So you and everyone else can go through the code to see exactly what is being done with this data. And once the permission has been granted, you can then use the application like normal. With the usageDirect application, you'll be able to see how much you've used your device throughout the day. We get a total time up here at the top, so you can see what your overall daily screen time usage is on Android. And then usageDirect will also break this down and show you which applications or games you used throughout the day, while also displaying the amount of time you spent in those applications as well. This is broken down on a day-by-day basis, so you can browse through your previous days at the top here. But you could also add these totals together to see your weekly screen time on Android as well. Now we also have a charts button up here at the top that will display this data in a number of different ways. So you can see this in app usage per day. You can see this in long-term app usage. You can see the average app usage per weekday. And we can see recent clock pie charts. There's also a button up here that allows us to assign apps to specific colors, which can help you to distinguish between them in those charts within the menus. And lastly, we can tap on the three-dot menu up here at the top right and export all of this data in case you want to import it into another application or collect the data so it can be displayed in your own charts. I really like how the usageDirect application displays this data for you. The data is easy to read, easy to understand, and its design is quite nice as well. Now, I would personally like to see other ways that the app can display the data, like being able to see your weekly or monthly screen time without needing to do the math yourself, or even tapping into an app to see that daily, weekly, monthly screen time usage. But there's a lot to like here. And with usageDirect being free and open source, it makes for an ideal choice for people who want to trust the apps that they have on their device. Again, I'll link to f-droid in the video description below, but you'll also find the direct download link to the APK file for usageDirect there. And those will both be in the pinned comment as well. please remember to like this video while also subscribing to the channel, as it really helps out.